Welcome to GeoBotsVR, a virtual reality game that combines elements of puzzle solving with robotics learning to provide an enjoyable experience to the players. This game aims to increase the interest and motivation in robotics, programming, and electronics of beginners with limited experience in these domains. In GeoBotsVR, players can build and customize a two-wheeled mobile robot using various components in the workshop, which is very easy to use for those with limited technical knowledge. It simulates hands-on robot building and modifications in an immersive virtual reality environment. Then players can take the robot that they built or modified into the arcade to solve various puzzles in a diverse range of environments. The main goal is to drive the robot from the start to the end point, avoiding illegal nodes, and completing various objectives such as picking up objects and depositing them. The arcade provides enhanced embodiment through intuitive navigation and immersive robot driving. GeoBotsVR features 9 different beautiful locations around the world with 3 different difficulty levels for the players to solve puzzles in. Each level is completely unique, providing an endless array of challenges for the players and increasing the game's replayability. Sometimes, players may find some errors in their robot's electronic components or in the code. Then they can head over to the repair zone where they can repair their robot by solving randomly generated electronics and programming problems through hands-on manipulation. Featuring 27 different problems across the 3 difficulty levels, the repair zone allows the players to get familiar with some common issues in robot development, with very simple and intuitive interactions. Immersive, replayable, and practical application-based, GeoBotsVR offers an enjoyable and accessible tool for beginners to get familiar with robotics without any prior technical knowledge. This is GeoBotsVR.